Ladies and gentlemen, my friends, welcome back to Pouring Whiskey. It's Friday once again. Hope you all enjoyed your week. Knob Creek, 12 year. Oh, let's get into it. Because, well, first the crap off the bottle. You gotta know how to open up your bottles. First the wax comes off. Then you get to the good old cork pop. Not too bad. Synthetic, but hey, we'll take it. Today, my friends. Get your good little pour into your Glencairn. So, let's talk about this. Knob Creek 12. Some would say a salt off bottle. Salt off. Salt after bottle. 12 year. MSRP pretty low actually for a 12 year. I did get this for a lovely $60. So, we know how most places will do, distilleries. Each year, they like to say a good reference would be $10 a year. So I'm glad this wasn't $120, my friends, for 12 years. Only 100 proof, but hey, something to deal with. That's what they wanted to put out. I have heard maybe back in the day that you can get these a little higher, but that's not nice. I think my cork topper cracked. Look at that. A crack in that. That's not nice. I hope that doesn't break later on. Well, if you're smart, you save your corks and you can maybe replace it if it does break. So, Knob Creek 12 year. A little oaky. That's nice. Obviously, you want to get a good color. Been in them barrels for a little while, my friends. So, a little nutty on that. But hey, it's Knob Creek. What else would you like to enjoy? So 100 proof. I wouldn't say the proof comes to the nose too much. But you should get a little bit of the more oak, the vanilla. Let's get to the taste. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Definitely Knob Creek. And I can tell you, actually, I've never had a 12-year Knob Creek. So, first sip ever. Pretty enjoyable. I do like regular Knob Creek, 9-year. Well, they keep that age statement. That is pretty enjoyable. Proof's not really there, being a 100er. But when you like them proofs, 100 kind of tastes like a 90. That's just a good bourbon. Just a good damn bourbon, my friends. So, not much to really talk about it. Knob Creek 12 year. It's got nice tongue to it. Nice tongue. Sits with you a little bit. A little bit of a linger. Good flavor lines coming down that glass too. Good flavor lines. We do like that. Yeah, that's just tasty. A little nutty. You get that from your Knob Creek. Yeah. I can tell you. So obviously, I did tell you I paid $60 for this, and in Maryland, that's pretty damn good because they can hike up their prices. They can do what they want. I'm glad that they didn't do that at this store because if this was $100, I would not have paid it. So luckily, it was not $100. Now, I don't know if I would actually pay $90 for this with a 12-year age statement. 100 proof. I don't know. In all honesty, I'd like to see him kick it up a notch or two. Give us a 110, maybe 115. You know, you get your store picks. Now, obviously, they're not 12-year. They can range a little different, but they're 120. Why can't you give us a 12-year 120 proof? Oh, that would be really tasty. That would be really tasty, my friends. So, we will enjoy this bottle of Knob Creek 12. That is pretty damn good. Pretty damn good. Glad to have it on the shelf. Yeah. So, one thing that we did not discuss yet this year, 2024. I did say at the beginning of the year that there was some maybe new comings for the year for the channel. One thing we were doing, an infinity barrel. I'm sorry, not barrel, infinity bottle. But I wanted to do it for all new openings of 2024. So far this year, let's say we have done Penelope Rosé, Jack Daniel's single barrel strength rye, little tongue twister, and then a Heaven Hill Bottle and Bond. And then now we have just cracked open into the Knob Creek 12. So I didn't want to start the infinity bottle the first video because I didn't want just that 1 ounce of whiskey sitting in the bottle and getting a lot of air. So what I did was I waited till today. I thought, well, 4 bottles opened, we should be able to get that infinity bottle ready. So what I have done, fantastic looking decanter. Pick this up. I didn't pick it up. Actually, it was a grand gift to me for Christmas. So, beautiful decanter. Wonderful topper. Now, I can tell you, it is pretty tight. But for air and whatnot, we needed a tighter cork. I went through my cork selection from old bottles. None of them were tight enough. I had to go for a champagne cork. That way we can seal up this puppy week to week and fill her up. So I didn't want to do 1 ounce, 1 ounce, 1 ounce and let it sit in there. So today I put in 1 ounce of the Penelope Rosé, 1 ounce of the Jack Daniel's single barrel proof rye, and then I did the Heaven Hill Bottle and Bond. Now we'll add the Knob Creek 12 year to that. So obviously, to not make a mess, our friend the funnel is back. And we got our little measures. Let's hope this doesn't crack on this opening. Oh, good. And we'll get our ounce of Knob Creek 12 year. Get that back in there. So, no spillage in the infinity bottle. It will go. That's going to be a problem because I keep wanting to say barrel, but no drops missed. So, for a new little experiment this year, my friends, all the good bottles that we open up, get that crap out of here. We'll do the Infinity bottle. Cork in stable, so no air. You don't want a little bit of whiskey getting aired out. So that's why I did wait, open up a few bottles, then we could start the Infinity bottle. So that's what we're doing this year. At the end of it, this puppy will be full, and I guarantee you it'll be pretty good. Well, I'm thinking that it will be. You got all these good whiskeys and bourbons, and you put it in there, and we will test the proof because obviously we're putting in way different proofs, all up and down the proof chain. So until next Friday, hope you all enjoy your weekend. We'll see you all then.